Ever filled out a form online and thought, why do I have to type my address again? That's exactly what WCAG 1.3.5 is trying to fix. This accessibility standard requires websites to code their forms so browsers can recognize what each field is for. It's not just about having labels. The code needs to tell your browser, this is an email field, or this is for your credit card. The magic happens with something called the autocomplete attribute. When developers add this to form fields, your browser can automatically fill in your information. This is huge for people with cognitive disabilities, memory issues, or motor limitations who struggle with forms. For example, instead of just coding a basic email field, developers should use autocomplete equals email so browsers know exactly what information goes there. This isn't just about compliance, it's about making the web work better for everyone. Forms with proper autocomplete attributes lead to higher conversion rates and happier users. Research shows every dollar invested in accessibility improvements generates a $100 return. Next time you breeze through a form that remembers your info, thank WCAG 1.3.5. And if you're building websites, remember, adding those autocomplete attributes isn't just following rules, it's creating a web that truly works for everyone.